why I told you that a lot of people are gullible. Gullible no be insults.
No, not even. I just say you don't know past as you know.
I regret it because Nigerians are very
gullible.
A lot of Nigerians are horrible. I know they say Nigerians in general. You understand? Put out a sensitive issue. The most sensitive issue about you being pregnant and maybe lost the baby. You understand? Go through the comments and you see somebody saying, lose the baby, waiting concern us now. I don't want to say I'm very intelligent, but I try.
Okay.
I don't want to chase a cloud that will put me in trouble.
Okay.
I can't be trying to get a verse from David and I'm putting my life at risk. That wouldn't make sense. You get, that's not the kind of clout I would chase. I think my biggest mistake was going on live video when it happened. I regret it. I'm not Gen Z. So things where I've been really enjoying are the two Baba, two Baba now inspire me to make music, two Baba Wande Coal. So these are the kind of things that I enjoy doing. So I did very excited to create this nostalgic moment.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Beautiful record. Yeah, you agree with me. 247, no joke at all. Welcome back, 89.9.
Yanga FM Lagos, the station with Sabi. And yes, on a good evening again, and welcome back to Cruise Express. Right about now, if you check your time, you go see we don't enter Bedu Hour proper. And R&B, would come with a twist today for Bedu Hour. But first of all, you need to know, say, my name is Ann Chewe.
What the Bobby MC R&B with Matt here live and direct. And on this very day, we get the one and only very talented skit maker, comedian. Some might they try one come on for that umbrella. We still put under the umbrella because I sing the song.
I want to ask you. You sure say we go still put them under skit making?
Then we get one of the finest musical artists for inside the studio today. The one and only Nasboi. Brotherly, have fun.
Adi, my.
Every be.
Adi, all right, man.
So I want just more go straight to the arrangement. I know say you come now based on interview. How the success of your last body of work in Nasboi I Trust, how it be? It meet up to your expectation, or be it beat your expectation?
No be like say I been keep any expectations.
Aside.
Yeah, no be like say I been keep. I no be person really like keep expectations.
Yeah.
Right, I just go in, do what I fit do, then the life is still plenty.
Yeah.
Right. So I know they judge based on what I don't do. A lot of more things they to do. Right. So but on a scale of 1 to 10, I think it did very well for a guy who was seen as a skit maker. I get one of the songs of the project. The project was just in September.
Yeah.
I think November or so we hear about either September or November. At least I get song for there. We beat Umbrella for numbers.
For numbers, yeah.
Could This Be Love featuring Chike has over 15 million streams on Spotify and over 100 million on all platforms.
You even go as far go do the loss for the album. So that's a successful album now. Successful album, not they do the loss now, sure.
That's where they be. Now talking about this, your body of work, Nasboi, run us through what thing can make you feel like say music now not the way. Skit making, it be like that thing what they talk about. Skit making, they make me feel fulfilled again.
No be so my own case be exactly. So my case be say I've always been a musician. Right? Yes.
Yeah.
Now since 2006 I begin the record. I've always been a musician. So this whole comedy thing, I don't even know say I fit funny self because the only thing where I sabi do now to just tell stories for class.
Okay.
I be the guy we be say for class. If something happen, they no one hear from around be mouth. Now my mouth, they won't hear the
because
thing.
I've been narrating.
Yeah, so
I'm a boy, indirect, I'm a boy.
It be like you and I go there the same club.
So now me be that kind of person, right? So 2000 and now music all along through university. I was very popular in school for music. People will go my University of Uyo. Yeah.
Okay.
I was like one of the most popular students that time. And music. 2014, still music. I got signed to renowned Nollywood actress Omotola Jalade Kehinde.
Oh.
Guess what? Yes, so 2010. Omotola, he first artist now.
Yeah, so
honestly.
So I was under her for like 3 years and really come and get a CV. So sometime I've been done finish school 2014. I can't say, okay, you know what? Make I just go do service 2017. So I can't go do service. After service, came out again. 2018. I can't say I get passion for this entertainment thing well, but music no dey forthcoming at the moment. And as if you be upcoming that time, nobody they give you. In fact, until now, nobody gives you money as an upcoming artist.
You need to diversify.
Yeah, so I look and say, I know say I get love for entertainment. What's that thing I can still do around entertainment? We go make me still there around. I can't say okay. I be person we like cinematography, photography. I like them a lot.
Okay.
So I can't say okay, make I try learn am. So I can't begin to learn photography. So I can't do photography for 1 year. I can't begin to earn small thing. I look on the broke like that again.
Yeah.
So 2019, I can't begin to do skit making small. Sometime around 2020, I just play around. We make Davido.
Davido, yeah.
Yeah, the idea was just to get his attention for my music.
That means you don't tell
You
when
don't
they
tell
try
when
to
they
get
have
your
attention.
attention.
Yeah, actually. So now everything get connection. Maybe like say, everything be like story.
So you dey try talk say music na your passion.
The
now
first
music,
love.
music be the passion actually.
Not music be the passion.
But the way I dey run my things these days, I dey always tell people say the passion no be do or die affair.
Okay.
Right? I was able to try it and it work. Now why I still dey do them? If I try them, it no work, I go leave them.
Before that come
yeah.
on, yeah.
And I go
And
just
clearly, not be like shy, it don't actually work. But why you feel say Nigerians, because they almost be like say they try let Nigerians know say now musician I be on normal.
You no go blame Niger. You understand?
Because I be like they don't want to see you more than that.
It's not
online
that. It's not me.
Yeah.
It's not me. It's a thing.
with everybody
It
for
happened to
Nigeria.
you, all of us.
Yeah.
Yet, Nigerians like to put you in a box. They like put you for where they want to see you.
Yeah.
You understand? And again, you no go blame them too. Some people who don't move from acting to wanting to sing music, they successful in the past. So it don't look like a part of failure.
Not gonna waste our time.
Yeah, we know as
if
an
na this
always
one,
do am.
if na this one you start with, may you just stick with
Remedial.
this one.
You
No
get-
shift to another
But
one.
me, I be one of the very stubborn people.
But you go say
I
you
no
don't
go gree.
successfully convince those Nigerians say come, I'm here to stay because
So
right now
I think the idea is not the idea no be to convince them. I think I dey learn every day too.
Okay.
So I dey also learn say you don't need to care about everybody because at the end of the day, no be everybody they listen to everybody music. Because if everybody they listening to Davido music for this Nigeria, Davido for they get 1 billion streams for every song.
normal.
So no be everybody go listen to you. So I think it's high time I stop proving to everybody that you must accept me. The ones who don't accept me, make we just they give them the music they go.
Okay,
Okay.
so during this your whole promotion of this your new song Friday night, you made a post where make am so people not read until the very end.
They no get
They're
sense.
confused.
They no get sense. They don't like read.
They know they like
You know-
Everybody,
you-
that's not
you
the
no go
problem.
talk like that
Everybody-
too.
They no get to.
You don't go talk like that.
They
too.
no get. They no get. I know they even fear.
You no fear.
Because the truth we say,
Yeah.
I don't notice one thing about Nigerians.
Yeah.
You understand? Nigerians just won't collect that thing within that one way they won't collect, now they go collect.
they
it.
not send you.
They no send.
So what will be the idea behind you saying because the first, second, third line stated say I don't want to do this skit again. I want to focus on music. Until the very last line, you say now malaria they do me jare.
Yeah.
People not really read that last part.
Guess what?
You see through.
So now the point is,
Yeah.
give me one reason why they will not read it to the end. Why?
Now,
Do you
what I
understand?
don't know.
what they
Why?
gonna they do? Then they actually they crop out that part and just post the part where we say
Especially for the bloggers.
yeah, just that side where they captivated. Anyways, more we talk about this your 36 states tour where you do. You get one thing we really get the attentions of Nigerians a lot, and that now when you say you get accident. You get why I put them like that? Because some persons they talk say na PR.
No concern me. Oh.
Wait, you know, because we don't get some PR we don't enter, some people we don't talk say they die.
Yeah, I
So-
get you, I get you, I
So
get
some
you.
persons never actually believe say
That's it.
that
really
that
happened.
accident really happened. Run us through.
So the way it works for me again, you see, from my journey thus far, from everything I don't do. You understand? Even when I tend to chase clout, I dey chase them in a very beautiful way.
Okay.
Right? I could remember when I did in the short skirt song.
Short skirt song,
Right.
yeah.
I chase clout. I always tell people say clout is part of entertainment, but make sure it doesn't hurt anybody.
Exactly.
It's the business.
Limitation, yeah.
You understand? Clout is promotion, right? That's what it is. So I call Baba Frayo, and I let him know say, senior man, I've been use this your part for Songo. You understand? See what thing I get for you. Take. I sent him some money,
Yeah.
right? At least to just show love to the senior man.
Yeah.
Then I can't tell him say I get one idea, right? I want to chase clout, and guess what? I did a skit. Saying, in the skit I said,
Yeah.
R&B, and see, make we find Baba Frayo.
Yeah.
Make we use am chase clout. We'll call Baba
Yes.
Frayo. Baba Frayo will come talk say, this boy no give me any money.
Money, you can't shout and
I
the
did,
rest.
I did a proper video about it.
Yeah.
And I posted the video about it. Baba Frayo was in the video.
Yeah.
You understand? I posted it. And now, after the video, Baba Frayo started dragging me.
Okay.
That
This
was-
na plan work. Oh.
Everything now.
Like I carry Ona along. for the plan work.
Yeah.
Do you get? So it's not a plan work behind the scene.
Everybody's saying.
It's a plan work that I told everybody that this is the plan.
Yeah.
Like, because for me, it's creativity, right? So the idea is just carrying you people along to how the industry works. And I said, come, everybody come and see. So I showed you people my plan, and then we executed. And there were still people who were still saying, see, Clout, say this.
Yeah.
You know? And at the
So
end
you
of the
try
day,
to say the accident now are part of the plan.
Because
oh, no,
that's
it's
our
not.
ass.
Oh, no, so it's not. So I'm saying that I have never chased Clout. All this kind of premature Clout. I'm not
So
there
the
for that.
accident happened.
So the
or it
accident,
not happened.
no, it did happen.
Okay.
But looking
did
at that
happen.
car, really, sure.
No, it did happen. Why would I want to?
No, somebody don't pretend to die
fit do
before.
am now.
No, pretending to. Yeah, I
You
get.
fit go
I get.
carry towing van, carry that kind of motor come road.
No, so I think the accident thing is not a good Clout. I don't. I mean,
So you dey try to say
in
you
this
now no
business,
good one.
in this business, I think I try. I don't want to say I'm very intelligent, but I try.
Okay.
I don't want to chase a Clout that will put me in trouble.
Okay.
I can't be trying to get a verse from David and I'm putting my life at risk. That wouldn't make sense. You get? That's not the kind of Clout I would chase. I think my biggest mistake was going on live video when it happened. I regret it. I regret it because Nigerians are very
Gullible.
a lot of Nigerians are horrible. Very horrible. A lot of Nigerians in this space.
Horrible in the sense,
Like,
say they
they
don't understand your
understand
plight.
something.
No,
or what.
Nigerians don't care. You understand? That's why even if you put the most sensitive thing,
No.
They go find problem
No,
on
I'm
top
telling
of.
you, no, see what,
he's
I'm not
correct
lying.
to
No.
an
And
extent.
why I no go agree with that Nigerians don't care. Now because
that's why if you
some
notice,
people don't do this
if
kind
you
of
notice,
thing
see what
before.
they talk. If you notice, I always talk say a lot of. I know they say Nigerians in general.
Okay.
You understand? Put out a sensitive issue, the most sensitive issue about you being pregnant and maybe lost the baby. You understand? Go through the comments and you see somebody saying, "Lose the baby, waiting consign us now."
Sure.
You they see.
You do you understand?
Anyway.
So Nigerians are those type of people. So when I had the accident and I put it out there, I felt bad that because either ways it's not even about David. I can have an accident coming down to this place. So it's not just about David, but nobody's ready to calculate, nobody's ready to think. If you get
You're facing a Clout.
bro, now
So
anyway, if it happen now-
talking about that whole idea of trying to tour the 36 states, including Abuja, in a bid to get Davido attention to jump on his song. How far it be? Was it successful? Because he got after the whole when you reach, I think Abuja was the last, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Abuja and the last. But after you do the last video, I read some comment, hey, Davido not great answer, Davido not great answer. Then you can't release this song, right? They are calling Don Jazzy. I can say, okay, maybe as the video no word, and Don Jazzy can say more records or post, but I can't listen to the song. Don Jazzy not did the song. They can make a post later say thank you, Davido. So was that intention achieved at the end of the day, having a song with Davido?
So fun fact, I already had a song with David.
Before you do that,
No. I know the puzzle you're trying to complete in your head, but that's not the puzzle. I already had a song recorded like 2-3 years ago, right? I wasn't able to release the song because of, you know how these things-
management stuff,
Yeah, you know how it did.
clearing,
Yeah. So now I've been no fit release this particular song. So I went ahead to release the song on my own.
Okay.
So that's the first song on my EP titled Ajo.
The one we carry David for inside now.
We been get David, but
inside,
I know
come
fit clear
David.
David, so I come
You comot David
release
side.
am by myself.
Okay.
You understand? So because I know say people they queue well. You know this business.
Yeah, so it take
People where
time.
they to feature David if reach 1,000. What am I saying?
There are plenty.
Wow.
You understand? Even some
They
some
don't
of-
do the song. They don't
even
fit
some
even
of the
release am.
big boys for the industry don't do when no fit still release. I don't even hear some songs where David feature where the people never fit release. You understand?
Yeah.
So this now me, I dey jump the queue. In the day that
Okay.
you are deciding to give people verses, please put me in the people where you
Where
want to
you
give
go
verse
put verse.
because I actually really want this verse from you, and I don't show you say I want them from you. Now why I begin mimic you from
The very
the
beginning.
beginning. You understand? I feel like say the journey in a puzzle. You understand? I always wanted this verse from this man. That's why I started mimicking him. It would be a dream come true for me to have a song with him. I'll chase it with everything.
Yeah.
Now
Right?
talking about the verse with Davido. Now if he decide say he want to give you a verse.
He don't give
Since
am,
you
he
already
don't
get
give it
so
up.
Never
na
give you.
new verse you want or you want
Na new
approval
verse-
for that other one today
Nah,
added
because I don't release this song already.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I dey ask for verse, obviously now a new song.
for a new song.
Yeah, because I don't already release. I recently leaked the song.
This song.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
I-
which one could be thank you, David?
Oh, because he commented. Oh, I'm not sure you saw that.
Oh,
so when I
okay.
released this song, him been share am for a story.
Oh.
Right? In con comment, con say, I love the jam. and no worry, very soon you go sup.
Yeah, I
Okay.
see
So that's
that
why I
comment.
said thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So that's to say, hopefully the first one in the express will come very
Yeah,
soon.
and then another thing, one thing about the Nasboi brand, especially when it comes to music, the music part, apart from the skit making, now how you they always, try to push your music.
Yeah, I have to.
You always, if not skit making, if not dance steps, and the rest of them. I mean, they tell R&B, I tell R&B, say, we never get dance step for Friday night.
I know.
No, you never do.
You know, say no be every
Don't
time
do.
we song they call me dance now. No be
Every
It gonna be like saying a kind of like a
no,
pattern
it's not
for
because
you.
I
So
think
the
small money
pattern
did
when
not
it-
have.
Eh?
Small money didn't have a dance.
But the pattern
Okay.
when this particular Friday night get, which is very impressive, you know that they always give unto you and Blackbone, one of the most self-promoting artists in the whole world.
Yeah.
The two of them, that they carry their work like say they're
I
not
tell
ready to pay
you.
anybody. But I think the idea when it come from, instead of the dance, now to mimic people album cover,
Yeah, I've been doing that
and
too.
I don't see the last one was Wizkid, right?
Yes,
Ayo,
yeah.
Ayo. And so
No, you
people
get one
first
where you
feel,
do. Okay,
no, the last one when he do, he don't do a
that
lot
one
of
I
people.
before the
Olamide,
Timaya own.
No, Timaya own is like some
the
weeks ago.
very
Okay.
first one. So some people be of the opinion say now AI you dey use, and I see how you try. They let them know say not be AI. Is there even need to convince people say?
Oh no, that's
no,
why you're not going out explaining to everybody.
Everybody,
just
yeah.
maybe 1-2 persons. You understand? Not to water down the efforts because
One
the
are
moment, because
putting-
everybody they read comments.
Yeah.
The moment R&B sees that it's AI, oh, he believes that it's AI. If not AI, use them now.
No, say I go
Abi.
be.
Use 'em.
Yeah.
It's not AI, so that's why I told you that a lot of people are gullible. Gullible no be insults.
No,
It's
not be
just-
even. I just say you not know
it's
part
just
as
you
you
don't
know.
know. You get, because those things really put in a lot of work. Not be everything AI they do now.
Yeah.
If AI they do everything, me say for they use AI they do everything then.
Yeah.
But since you don't they mimic people past the album cover to promote this your Friday night, you don't get any probably maybe one of those guys say, oh, nice work, or they reshare and whatsoever.
I can't even lie, man. I'm not even looking.
But
out
that
for
will not be your target.
No, not at all. No, not at all. I get good following too now. I get good
Already.
audience.
Yeah.
So it is not my target. My own is just to be creative about my push. And again, I'm a nostalgic man. You understand? You know now.
Yeah,
We no be babies.
Follow up.
I'm 33 now, so the kind of things where I dey enjoy, no be recent, no be these things.
Not be
Truly.
Gen Z.
No, I'm not Gen Z. So things where I've been really enjoying are the two Baba, two Baba now inspire me to make music. Two Baba Wande Coal. So these are the kind of things that I enjoy doing. So I did very excited to create this nostalgic moment. Understand? So even if Two-Face no comment or no share, it doesn't mean anything to me because on a normal day I'm very good with Two-Face, like 100.
Wow.
You get? So if P-Square no comment, that doesn't mean because we even chat for DM, then like my work, even
I
aside
see
this
you
whole
with
thing.
Rude Boy.
So
Now do song or be go play your song for them.
R&B.
No, you got give us the.
You got give us the
breaking
gist
news,
now.
No, we don't get song together. But
No, the way they hear you, the way they do, it be like say, nah, this
no,
song
okay,
I
so
want jump
that
on.
video is quite old. So now the first time we in they actually they hear me they sing. So in surprise, like wait. you
When
sing
they
like
hear
this?
you, they sing for real life or
No, yeah, for real life because that time I've been never officially released any single. So the video now old video.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So talking about music versus skit making, I know.
You know what I go choose now, so no need.
I don't know. I don't know. You go try. Maybe you tell us now.
Okay, so if I know one day partial, I go say, if you say you must pick one today,
Yeah.
you must pick one. I go choose skit making.
Why?
You know why?
Financial
Because
aspect.
now skit making don't take care of me. Music
Okay.
never do anything for me.
So you
Ah,
go
no, no,
leave,
hold
you
on,
go
hold
leave
on,
your
no,
passion.
no.
Eh?
You go leave your passion for bills.
I'm grown past passion now.
Passion
I don't
level,
come
yeah.
up from passion.
So I want to ask one question from what you just saying right now. So far so good for the last couple of, let's say 2 years. You don't drop single, you don't drop album, you don't go for shows too, right?
I know.
Bread don't come in.
But
What do you mean by
you should
say-
also say sometimes when you look waiting they come in, also look waiting they go out.
Wait till they go out too. Which skit making not they really is
Do
an
you
individual stuff.
do you get?
Anything
So
that coming.
like I said, I don't grow past passion. I know they in the mood for passion.
but
Now
you love. You say you love music.
that's exactly why I'm doing it, right?
Okay.
But that's why I said if you have a gun and you put it on my head and say you must pick
Pick
one,
one.
Yeah.
I go choose skit making because now waiting they take care of me. Now waiting on
evil till now, right?
Yeah, of course.
But so what you gotta do with the money when they come from your streaming? Because your monthly Spotify stream now over 500,000.
Now what I tell you now?
Yeah.
And in recent times, I don't know if you see when Burna Boy they talk about Nigerian streaming and all. So if now only streaming and they live by now, if I don't they call you may help me now.
I can actually help you because you're not correct.
If I don't they call me and say, well, I be
okay. Now moving away from music and everything. You talk something just now, which I already know. Say you be 33 years old. So at any point, Nasboi wants to that, but you don't do one low key, not just one bring and come public. Because I know how this whole
or maybe we'll start from whether he gets a girlfriend.
Mona leave me a bit.
You get honey. You get honey.
No, not sugar again.
Mona leave me.
What's it happen now? No question.
Adi.
But how your last relationship be? Because it be like say you be day one relationship when no stable.
Adi. Mona just know say Adi alright.
I know they like the way they read.
So now why I talk whether I keep them private? It be like person when I keep things private.
I don't know. You know this thing.
You don't know.
Arabi.
You supposed know now.
You supposed know this thing.
Arabi don't come out here.
You supposed know now.
Okay. Move forward. Now let's talk about in the next 2-3 years. I for say 5 years. But then in the next 2-3 years, you think say you go still stick to music? You go see they do music?
Depends. I'm a very spontaneous person.
Okay.
You understand? I did very spontaneous. Now you have been the tell now. See, you get one time where I been to do the music. You get like say I begin to do photography. Comedy. Yeah, so I be that kind of man. You understand? If it is not forthcoming, I'll be ready to drop it.
You don't care what in person go talk. People go talk.
Of course. So long as the most important thing is if you are successful.
Exactly.
Right? If this one is not working and this one is working, why not? So I don't know. I would love to still be a musician because I know that I can sing and I have a lot to offer. That's why I want to be a musician. I'm not doing it because I want to make money from it. Because if it's money, then I would have left it.
Yeah, sure.
You understand?
Anyway, talking about going back in time, talking about Motola and being signed on top label at the time when BC nobody really know you. Now when you don't know right now, I don't ever get any person that encounters is they don't even yarn.
Of course, now with the yarn now, she did very proud of me.
On the normal.
Yeah, once she did share my stuff for her story. She did very proud of me.
You. Yeah,
and then talking about they signed, you didn't sign to the record label?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, currently.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, which is
Eminent,
Eminent, right?
Yes.
But so something happened a couple of weeks ago, or even more,
Talk to me.
whereby you don't know where they go.
No,
whereby the band can't be like say one vein you as the artist.
Yeah, because now we have one.
I can't see your record label the risk.
Not just wrong information. Maybe.
But your record label not know
wrong information how?
So as a skit maker, my dealings they totally different from music. So waiting the band signed me for now ambassador for Cream platform. It had nothing to do with music. You understand? So maybe now the way we then put them out there, we can make people begin get impressions saying our music. So my record label they can't clear the air. Say I deal with them. This one will be music something with the band.
So on the skit part, you did on that Cream platform owned by
on the skit part I be ambassador
to Cream platform which is owned by the band. Then music wise you did Eminent record.
Yes.
But how the relationship don't be so far so good?
With which of the persons?
Which your record label?
Oh, we are good. We did okay.
Shebi will not go here tomorrow. Say the way they put out a lot of record labels now they put out statements.
If he reach that time, when I go here. Yeah, like
okay,
of course.
You go come outside.
If you reach that time, you go come out. Nothing. I no go die for inside this thing now. Say I no want talk. I must talk.
But how many years with your record label?
Yeah, it's about 3 years.
3 years.
So
is that almost the wrap up now?
Yeah.
How many you don't do?
I don't do like 2.
2 plus. You go still wrap up. And how many body of work is supposed to drop? 2, right? You don't drop one already.
I don't drop one body of work, so I still get a couple of singles to go.
Total drop, okay. Anyway, how you go say the Nigerian music industry don't be so far from your own perspective since you don't dey inside for the last couple of years? You feel say we get the right structure when they actually bring like better result come?
Honestly, man, I know say the music they grow, but the streaming still be something we still need to work on because. According to what I hear, a lot of Nigerians know they really like our streams. Know they really bring money. The streams where they bring money now when you hit jackpot from like
from that side.
You know that
Okay.
kind of
But
thing.
we understand the metrics behind that, and because the has so economy normal, now they dictate how much all these streaming platforms they charge Nigeria. And if you compare with it, they charge us to take use their platform to where Switzerland, you'll notice say there is like 200% difference. I don't know if you get to subscribe was be like 2K, I'll be 1K, less than 1K. But those people they use almost like $20 to subscribe.
Yeah.
So I think now why when we listen to a song here, waiting now they get now very peanuts, small peanut compared to person when they listening for Sweden or other countries.
That one.
Now
Hopefully.
talking about relationships, Nasboi, how your relationship did with Maven record?
Man. So maybe record a lot of people now, but I know say Don Jazzy na like my papa for this business.
Yeah, oh, okay. Be like
Yeah.
your papa for the business.
Hey.
Okay, that means
If you check my promotions, go to my page. Almost 77%
You dey
of,
post am,
in
man.
fact, 80% of everything I don't do, as I collaborate, I'm straight up.
So now not the wood they ask Don Jazzy now, just collaborate, go you accept.
So me and we
Yeah.
don't. Don
And I
Jazzy-
Better alignment.
Yeah, no be like
Okay.
say any better alignment, but I don't know say the man actually really like me because of support. We don't meet 1 or 2 times. He don't tell me say you no worry, you be special talent. I like you well. I dey support you anytime. I go support you.
Okay.
I don't call him 1 or 2, 3 times. In fact, what am I saying? I don't feature Don Jazzy reach 4 times.
okay.
When you
feature
make
Don-
feature for song,
Yeah, for skits.
Okay, for skits. Okay, yeah.
So I don't
yeah,
feature him like
that's
4
how-
times. So obviously, when
The
I know be
relationship
like say I
dey
dey
there.
send everything. I dey send things where I know say if he see it to him go, they
Him go
proud of.
accept am.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
it gets it gets a reason why I ask you this question because you know say Ira dey under them. I just want Moku, shift legs small.
Okay.
I don't know whether I don't hear of the alleged deal
Tell
of
me.
Ira Star.
No, I know nothing. I promise. So when I'm in close,
No promise me.
no. When I'm in close, I know it dey like say I did close to R&B now.
Yeah.
No means say I did close to Yanga.
Okay.
You understand? I'm just close to Don Jazzy.
Don Jazzy now.
And
Where
the
you
close
know
self
Rishi
gets in
In limitation.
In limitation. You understand? The close now say anytime where I see Baba, I must go bow for him, greet him.
greet
You understand? 1 or 2 how you did, I did okay. Baba, I get what I want to do. No be like say I get personal
But okay,
relationship.
outside the personal relationship, but then you don't see the story online now.
I never know which of the story
This,
exactly.
the story, they talk about the one way she did sign to Rock Nation R&B.
I don't see-
Say she not go carry belle
she not
Friday.
go-
Nah, alleged. If we are start the shock, say for real.
You know, this our country here.
Anything can work out. But anyway, what's next after Friday night? Right now, we should don't drop for the
After
last 2
Friday
weeks.
night, now
Yes.
Saturday now.
Oh God, this guy.
Okay, Saturday night song.
After Friday night, now Saturday.
Okay, that one enter low. I collect her. But we expect a body of work from you soon.
So I think for the first
time.
time, I'll go back to back. Because
Honest-
I've not been consistent, honestly.
Yeah.
Musically, if I do, I go take break. But now I won't give them. I'm trying to build a fan base. Like I'm not even trying to make money.
Yeah.
Trying to build a fan base will give me money too. But at the same time, waiting at the concentrate on now to build a solid fan base. I want to make sure that at the end of the year, I want to hold a concert and I have people coming to watch Nasboi for Nasboi's
Yeah.
music.
You do one last year. I scatter boss now.
Yeah, I know.
For Bish,
I
was
know,
there
but I
now.
still want build more.
More. Okay.
Yeah, I still want build more.
Hopefully, maybe now stadium you go do this one.
I don't know.
So more singles they come from Nasboi, right?
Of course.
Okay, sharp. Anyway, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you for stopping by. We appreciate this conversation. I don't know if anything they are there you like clear or let Nigerians know from your mind, from deep bottom of your heart.
Okay, basically now to just tell people say me Nasboi I no go stop.
Okay.
Like so if you dey plan to use your comments, trolls to stop me, nah, I don't big past that kind of thing. I no go stop, and I be person wey be say I know my worth, and I go still dey push. I go push till God
Okay.
knows when,
Okay.
and I will never stop.
All right, see every time before we go wrap up, every time that a good time to introduce yourself because you don't know who they listen.
Yes, yes,
So you go introduce yourself again, and then you go drop your social media handle so that
Got
people
you.
won't connect with you. Go be able to connect with you.
Hey guys, what's good? My name is Nasboi, and you're listening to Nasboi on Yanga 89.9. I'll call it for now.
Colletti, you say you dey spontaneous, huh?
Blind and pidgin English, I dey use.
Yeah, that's